Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make sticky brown rice. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now without further ado, let's make some sticky brown rice. To a pot on medium heat, we're going to add 4 cups of water. Followed by a half a teaspoon of salt. Bring water to a boil. Add 1 cup of brown rice. Cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or until water has evaporated. And there you have it, sticky brown rice.